Hey everybody, okay, so today finally gonna do B.A.P's Rain Sound and I'm so excited. I remember the trailer came out like it was a Thursday or Friday and B.A.P was another comeback. I'm kinda sick today, so this is gonna be short and kind of, well, I'm sick, so let's just see how my reaction is. I'm sure I'm gonna love it because it's B.A.P. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, the hair's different. Oh, him dang. Chicago. Oh, we're back to being all badass. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, dang, I love you. Oh, Jungkook. Oh, they're so sad. I love Oh, oh, Young Jae. Oh, I like his hair like that. It's cute. Oh, yay. I don't even know about this green water, though. Oh, Himchan. Oh. Oh wow, okay. Jello. Oh my god, Jello. Are you kidding me? Oh, you don't cry. You don't cry. They're all so depressed and sad. Oh. Oh, I kind of like the color of his hair. Oh. Oh, B.A.P angels, they're so cute. Oh. I need to look up the English translation and know why they're so depressed. Oh my gosh. So much fun. Oh no! No, no, no. They seem okay though. Joe's just like, whatever. Getting shot. Yeah. Oh, Jungkook is just so fun. Oh. Yes. Yes, yes. Oh. Oh my god. That was so good that they came back that way. Okay. As I said before. I love B.A.P. I love them so much. And I'm glad that they did a new comeback, like as soon as the year started off. But I do wish they had a little break. They're so young and they are so talented, but there's not enough rest. They've done how many comebacks last year? Was it 5? Now 6. They have earned a little break, but glad that they do this. It's so nice that they did a comeback that was badass. Well, not too badass. It was a bit somber. and a bit sad, but I loved it. I loved that it was a bit serious and not so aegyo. I mean, I liked the aegyo thing too. I really did. But I'm glad that they did this comeback, and I hope to see them more. But I'm sick right now, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna take a nap. NyQuil. See you guys.